Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we here. Okay guys, my sell will be somewhere here. I'm short in this position. Okay guys, we can see AUD versus US dollar. Okay guys, what we have discussed is that this will be the your breaking zone. After that only you can take a put side. Okay guys, what happened? I have told you that thing. Okay guys, if you have seen here, it doesn't take any resistance. It breaks, goes upside, once again came downside, once again taking resistance somewhere here. But you can see here what it's making. Continuously halting here. 3 to 4 candle continuously halted. After that also I am not taken any trade. Okay guys, because of you think that I am taking trade. No. This green candle form, after that I am jumping. Okay guys, I am not waited anything for this. Here only somewhere at this red candle only half I have taken my position and my SL kept I am at this. Okay guys, my SL will be the something risk to reward is 1 is to 4.5 something, but I get bigger than that. But you can see here somewhere here only I buy and my SL will kept here somewhere. You can see that continuously making wick. This green candle wick, you can see that this is the fear, what we call this is the fear. But what happened, continuously consolidating. So what I am think I will exit, no, because I am know that my risk is very minimal and what I am take risk is I know that this risk is enough for me, so I will not exit any trade if I think that okay it will came downside, then I will trail my SL. Otherwise I do nothing like that. So at that point I am seeing that if it will closes somewhere here somewhere, then I will take, but this is continuously constantly taking support, so I am not taken any tension or anything. So this is came downside also, this right candle I think that I will exit. So let it be that I am not exited at this position. You can see that continuously consolidated. After here somewhere I am seeing this green candle I am seeing, I am sure that it will boom. Then you can see that our first target reach, second, third, fourth, all 5 target reach. After that also I am not stopped guys, because of I know that it maybe gives me very big momentum. After that it comes downside. This green candle has been made, this red candle has been made. After this red candle only I am jumping in and my SL will be the this. Okay guys, somewhere here. Why is that? Because of I know that it maybe came once again upside momentum at this green candle and touches and goes downside. That's why I've kept my SL. Okay, I know that my SL will be the very big, but I got 1:4 this target also, so I am so much happy. I have not taken whole trade, but 1:4 or 1:2 something 4 point something is there, so I have taken my trade. You can see that our first target reach, second, our third target, all target reach, and it came downside right now. So what we gonna do is that this is right now in the consolidation phase, so I will do nothing, just I will stretch it out. So this will be the your thing is that if this will break, you can go for downside momentum. You can check out this all. Okay guys, if upside momentum made, it came once again upside and take support, then you can go for your first target, second, this will be the third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, these are the 5 target. And also if you are wanted to be safe traded, then you have to see that this will be the exited, this will be the break, then only you can go for up till here. Otherwise you have to save for zone, then don't take any trade. Okay guys, we can see for next NSD versus US dollar. You can see that I have told you if it will take support, but it continuously consolidation has been happened. After that this breakout, you can see that this green candle, so many big green candle. After failure it came downside, it taking a resistance, exactly taking resistance. After that this green red candle only I have bought, and I have kept my SL at this red candle low. Okay guys, this red candle low. Okay guys, so I have kept, and you can see that I have got at least 1:4 risk to reward and exactly taking support. I have told you if it will take support then gives us very big momentum, but right now it's giving a very nice momentum only. Okay guys, I will just shift it down because we doesn't seen this anything. So this is right now in the consolidation phase. If once again it wanted to come upside, then this will be the our target. Okay guys, in downside these are the targets, and upside also these are the targets. Okay guys, we can see for euro versus Japanese yen, you can see that it is continuously consolidated, nothing will be there. Okay guys, you can see here consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. So right now I am telling you it may be gives us very big momentum right now. Okay guys, so if you are there, so be captured, be ready for big momentum for this guys. Okay guys, I will just do not shift this, I will make new one. So somewhere here. Okay guys, this is the big momentum is coming along, I think so. Okay guys, just a second. Okay guys, right now if it will break or make a price action, you can go for your first target, second target, third and fourth. Okay guys, this will also act as a resistance, so be careful for this. But consolidation happen, so it maybe gives us very big momentum, so be ready for capture it. Okay guys, this will be the one of the major supporting area. This time it will break, then it will gives us very big momentum in downside also, because this is tested so many times, first, second, third, fourth, fifth time also exactly. So if once again it came downside, taken resistance, you can expect your first target, second, third, even fourth target. Okay guys, these are the big momentum is coming along. If upside also break, then also gives us big momentum. If downside also break, gives us very big momentum, so be ready for it guys in euro versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, we can see for AUD versus CHF. Okay guys, here somewhere I have told you if this will break, go for trade. I am not telling you anything a losing trade. Here also I have taken my SL. Okay guys, because somewhere here only at this red candle only I have shorted this, and I have kept my SL at this point. Okay guys, this point only. What happened, this green candle has been taken my SL. After that I am seeing if once again came somewhere at this point only or this area, automatically I have stop limited I have taken here somewhere, and limited order I have put it in this, and my trigger here somewhere here, and my SL will be the this red candle top. Okay guys, after you can see that how big momentum has been. Our first target reached, second target also reached. After that only first time, second time, third time it definitely break. I have told you after this breakout, this green candle is forming somewhere here only. At this low only I have buy, and I have kept my SL at this point. You can see that one side move, our first target also reached, second target also reached. After that only consolidated and came downside. Once again it's taking a support. Okay guys, so you can see that our analysis and how big price action has been made, and our how much nice profit is we are making. So right now what will happen, so this will be the one of the major trend line. I will just draw it for you guys. You can see here just like this. So this will be the trend line like this. So it is not depending on it will be exactly a trend line, but you can behave like a trend line right now. So it has given us very big momentum right now. It happened, it maybe goes on consolidation phase also guys, so do not worry about it. It maybe goes on consolidation phase guys, I am telling you once again, it maybe goes on consolidation phase at this point only. So do not expect the big momentum, but once again if it's wanted to gives us big momentum, then came downside taken somewhere here only, then gives us our first target, second, third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, the high probability is what I'm seeing in this candle are it maybe came downside, so we can expect that it take resistance somewhere here, and our first target will be here guys somewhere, second target will be very small, third, fourth target, guys. This will be the fifth target, guys. Okay, guys, these are the 5 target in downside. So we can expect that. We can see next forex pair is that you can see here, guys, this is GBP versus Japanese yen. Right now it is continuously taking resistance, but what is our analysis? This is the trend line. So I have told you this is not a valid trend line. Then also it taken resistance. You can see that continuously taking resistance. Once again it came upside momentum, but I have not taken any trade. Here also it's taking resistance, but I am not sure that it may be consolidation happens. So I have not taken any trade in here. So we can discuss where it can go. You can see here right now it is continuously taking resistance. Then we can expect that our first target will be here, second, our third target, and our fourth and fifth target. This is the final target. Okay, guys. So and upside momentum, it is right now continuously taking a resistance. So you know that the buyer so much hardly trying to take it upside momentum. If it comes upside momentum, take a support somewhere here or made a price action, then you can go for your first target, guys. This will be the second target. Okay, guys, this will be the third target. This will be the your fourth target, fifth target. Okay, guys, these are the 5 target for upside momentum. Also you can see the price action, and this will be the smaller trend line, but it's not important that it will break or not. It's important that it takes support and your SL will be the somewhere this green candle low. Okay, guys, if goes upside momentum, then only you can take this trade. Okay, guys, hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, please go and check out my all the videos I have explained in detail also, so you can take that thing. And if you really like this, so if you have any queries, please comment down. I will surely make a video or gives you the solution of your any doubts. So if you like this video, guys, share with your friends and families, guys. Thank you, guys.